In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off credit card payments in HoneyBook Invoices. If you're using HoneyBook to manage your invoices and payments, there may be times when you want to disable the option for your clients to pay using their credit or debit card. This can be useful if you prefer payments to be made directly from bank accounts for easier management, or perhaps to avoid certain transaction fees often associated with card payments. Let's walk through the steps to adjust these settings. First, you'll need to navigate to the invoice editor within your HoneyBook account. Once you're there, scroll through the options until you reach the section labeled Payment Options. This is where you customize how your clients can pay you. In this section, you will notice there are two toggles available for you to select or deselect. The first toggle is for credit and debit card payments. The second toggle is for bank account payments, often referred to as ACH payments. Each option has a little check mark next to it, indicating whether it is currently enabled or not. By default, both might be turned on as indicated by the check marks. Now, if you want to turn off the credit and debit card payment option, all you need to do is deselect it. This will leave just the bank account option enabled. To do this, locate the toggle next to credit or debit card and simply click on it. This click should change the status of the toggle from enabled to disabled, removing the check mark that indicated it was active. With this change, your clients will no longer see the option to pay using a credit or debit card on their invoice. Instead, the payment will be streamlined for them to use their bank account. It's important to communicate with your clients about this change so they are clear on how they can make their payments. You might also consider leaving a note or reminder in the invoice itself, guiding them on the updated payment process. This little step helps in reducing any chances of confusion. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've now successfully turned off credit card payment options in HoneyBook Invoices, helping you manage your payment preferences with ease. This small setting adjustment can go a long way in making your transaction process align with your business needs. Remember, you can always go back and re-enable the credit card option if your preferences change in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your business with tools like HoneyBook.